So it's those things, and some of the common onboarding pitfalls and how to dodge them. Really, relying on email chains. Use shared portals or dashboards instead. Assuming your ERP or accounting system will integrate smoothly. Having that SMB or subject matter expert, not SMB. Sorry, I'm getting my acronyms mixed up. So having that subject matter expert in knowing your ERP, your WMS, or your TMS, and giving you that valued input of saying, hey, you should look to do your integrations this way, because this is what I think fits best for your particular scenario. Pitfall number 3, no testing or documentation provided. That's a problem. Document what you're doing. When you're looking at other things, trading partners say, we never got your test file because there was no tracking. Did somebody look for the test file? Did somebody proactively say, hey, we're sending you a test? Or, hey, trading partner, tell me when you send a test. Just like when you move into production. Hey, we're sending our first live whatever document. Can you confirm that you received it? Those are standard things that you do and that should be a part of it. Never assume EDI trading partner is managing everything. Ask for clear responsibilities in writing. When you're looking at a good onboarding plan, there's a timeline. A bad one looks like a bunch of PDFs in your inbox. You just keep getting a bunch of things sent to your email and you're just like, hey, what's this? Hey, what's this? What's going on here? Maybe you have a tool that you use. Maybe it is a Monday.com or an Asana or whatever it is. Well, your provider should help to fit into that. Like, hey, okay, cool. This is the tool that you like to use. Let's see how we can fit into that. Let's see how we can start using that to keep things, because now they're becoming a partner of your team. They're not saying this is what you have to use. Sorry, we only use portals. Sorry, we only do this. Well, that's not a partner. So when you're looking at these things, you're looking at providers that can build maps and templates for common trading partners. You're looking for providers who can provide you a dashboard or can customize things to meet your needs, to fit into your role, because you're spending a lot of money. You're looking at things that need to be validated or checks for different data and sending of the test files. You want somebody and a platform that can be highly customizable. That helps you. You want a structured team that's helping you. If you're somebody that likes to do things on your own and set up your own maps and set up your own trading partners, well, then you need to ask, does that tool do that? Is there self-servicing in the tools that'll help to reduce the reliance on a provider? Or do you want to have an outsourced EDI department? Think about which one do you want and which one fits into your business model. A lot of SMBs don't know that you have choices. Don't listen to a provider that tells you you have to use them. I've yet to run across anybody that says you have to use a certain EDI provider, that there's no other way to set up integrations or any of that kind of stuff. So you want to look at, what does that look like? Does that provider allow APIs? Can you pull data APIs? Is there pre-built ERP connectors to cut down on the steps and the setups? Have they ever worked with that ERP, WMS, or TMS before? All of these things, ask these questions. If you're an SMB and you're struggling to get started, or you're in mid-migration and it's all a mess, just reach out. We'll help you. We'll show you how to onboarding can actually feel human and fast.